Hey, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the main PCB on your LG dishwasher. If you are experiencing problems like the dishwasher not starting, erratic operation, or display panel issues, it might be time to check or replace this component. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful appliance repair videos. Let's get into it and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a flat-blade screwdriver, and a multimeter. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your dishwasher or turn the breaker off. And just to be on the safe side, turn the water supply off. Open the door and locate two mounting brackets at the top. Remove two Phillips screws from the brackets and pull the dishwasher out and turn it to the left to expose the main PCB. Using the flathead screwdriver, release two clips and pry the PCB up and out. Turn it over and place it down. Unscrew the Phillips screw and remove the metal cover. One of the best tools that you can have in your toolbox is a multimeter, and we would love to show you how this device works and how you can benefit from using it. Check out the video in the description. We have the PCB ready for testing. Locate the black PL3 and blue PL2 relays on the PCB and insert probes in brown and blue wires. Next, set the meter to volts AC. It's a V with a wavy line. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electric shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Plug the dishwasher in and initiate the self-test mode. Press the start button 7 times. The heater should energize and reading on the meter should be around 100 volts AC. Unplug the dishwasher. We already had the PCB out and all we need to do is disconnect it from the harness. Remove all the plugs one by one. Don't worry, you can't mix them up, they are all different. To be on the safe side, snap a few pictures. Untie the white wire and pull it out. Here's the old PCB and here's the new one. If you have already got one, great. If not, you can pick up one at AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide in that white thin wire and tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. Connect all the plugs. Don't rush, take your time. Install the metal cover and secure it with a single Phillips screw. Slide the PCB in cutouts and push it down to lock the side tabs. Install the dishwasher under the counter. Then, using the Phillips screwdriver, secure the dishwasher to the counter with a couple of screws. Plug the dishwasher in, make sure water is open, and load it up. Great job tackling the repair on your LG dishwasher. We hope your appliance is running smoothly again. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment. We would love to hear how your project went. And don't worry if you still need a part. Just grab your model number and visit AppliancePartsPros.com to find what you need. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for choosing us to guide you through your repair journey, and we'll look forward to helping you with your next DIY project.